Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it's time to close Instagram problem. So first of all you need to open the Instagram app, and after that you can go to your profile in the bottom right and select the three-lined icon in the top right corner, and then you can select your activity over here, and you can look for the time spent or the time management setting. Scroll a bit down and tap the time management there, and here there's a daily limit icon. Select there. If a daily limit is enabled, you can simply turn it off on the bottom, and you can also disable break reminders if they're interrupting your usage. You can go back, and this step usually fixes it's time to close the Instagram problem. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.